Thank you so much for watching the High Five Show. Today we've been in conversation with Suniti. She's one of the most beautiful minds to talk to, interact with, and get to know. I feel blessed to call her a friend. Today's conversation has been one of the best conversations that I've ever had with her. For your convenience, we have divided this podcast into 3 episodes. In this episode, we talk about why procrastination is a horrible thing to do and animal science as a career. We hope you like this episode. Super enriching stuff ahead. Hi guys, so today we have Suniti on show. Suniti and me, we are college friends. We've studied biotechnology together. So Suniti, welcome to the show. Thank you so much for doing this with us.
Thank you so much for having me.
So Suniti, biotech mein, actually I have to put this out there. Suniti was one of the best students in the class. She's really good with it. So what is the secret there, girl?
There's no secret as such. I don't know what to say in this because I actually was like a normal student. I did not study like 24/7, but yes, I did do some hard work, I can say. But it was not like 24/7. I'm just reading my books. It was not like that.
So basically I read somewhere, okay, so the person was saying कि if you leave your work for the last minute, you actually finish it in 1 minute, like, in the least possible time. You get it?
True.
Do you agree with this?
I do agree with this because the last 3 years in the college and the college years, I have done this exact thing. It was basically procrastination, and I wouldn't recommend it to all students because it does not work out always. Because suppose if you like get sick or something, at the end moment, so it's gonna literally be it's gonna be a disaster. So don't
It's gonna
just
be
do
really
that.
bad.
Just don't do
Yeah,
that.
because I am so bad at the last minute thing. If you tell me now that ये last minute पे करना है, I can't. I really
Not
can't.
सबके बस की बात.
I so
No, but
agree.
it is
मेरे
actually what I would like to say is that abhi, okay, fine, okay, कि abhi you are doing procrastination, abhi you are pushing everything till the last moment, but ये long run में बहुत it's gonna be very disadvantage, like it's gonna be a very bad thing for you because even when you don't have any guidelines, or sorry, you don't have any deadlines, like if you're working out or if you're just developing your skills, उसमें कोई deadline नहीं है. So you will always say that no, I'll do it tomorrow, and that is what was happening with me. So recently I was like, no, I have to work for myself, and I started doing that. So I think that is the first step for me to like stop procrastinating, where I am like actually working for myself with my own time, putting myself first, and then
I also feel one more very big disadvantage of procrastinating is this कि when you have something else coming up, like for example you have a new opportunity coming up and you have no time for it because जो पुराना काम था वो हुआ ही नहीं है. So now you have that also, this also. You can't take new work if you don't finish your old work. So I feel that's the worst part.
yeah, and I guess that it's always like few of the students, they wait for the pressure, and until and unless they don't have the pressure on them that yes, I have to do this or else I'll not get my marks or I'll not complete my degree, only then students will start working on it, not because they want to willingly. You're getting it? It's
I
pressure.
feel like, where this is coming from, what I feel like is you don't want to do what you're into.
True,
I
true,
just
true.
feel like this is something you don't like. So
But-
you need a pressure to get it done. Like, khatam karo
Yeah,
ye, something
yeah.
you use and finish it off.
True.
Huh? Taking you back to the times when we actually had this career ka decision, do you think it is a very stagnant decision? Like, 10th ke baad, like I remember I was told that this is the biggest decision of my life. If I don't take this properly, I don't think I'll be able to do anything ahead. What do you think about this? Is this true?
I don't think so that is true because especially when you talk about me, I was never like 100% sure that I have to do this only. I wanted to become a doctor first, but it
Yeah.
was more of like, yeah, like okay fine, doctor ban jate hain, but it was not like okay, I didn't think it through, if you know what I mean. So
I know.
and
Even I
today-
wanted to become a doctor, no? Pehle.
yeah, exactly. And right now also I am in biotechnology. I'm a biotechnology student, but I want to get into animal science. So which is a different field. It is science related, but it's a different field. Humans and animals, like companion animals, equine species, all of them have different mechanisms, and it's totally different. So I don't think so. It's like I don't think there is an age sort of. I just saw a video where a lady who completed her PhD at 48. So
Okay.
it's
Wow.
like it's like because she couldn't do something for herself when she was young after she got married, etc. But now she is doing that. So it's something like age is not a factor over here. You can literally change your career at any time. It will only be late when you cannot do it, like when you cannot change your career is when you die. So you don't
True.
have to have that regret that oh shit, काश मैंने ये कर लिया होता, काश मैंने change कर लिया होता, my life would have been different. I would have been happy.
Happy.
That's
True. I think this pursuit of happiness is the most important thing we
true,
should look
true.
for. Whenever, wherever. है ना?
Yeah, true, true.
Acha, you just spoke about animal sciences, right? So, what is animal science? Like, what is the future of animal science? Is it something that is established in India? Is it something only abroad? Or what is it?
Okay, so starting with your first question, what is animal science?
Yeah.
Animal science is basically the study of animals. Now that study of animals can be related to your benefit, for like humans' benefit, like meat production, livestock breeding, all of those things, or it can also be for the betterment of companion animals. As you know, like today, even in India, obviously in abroad like US and even in India, there are many pet owners and they are just increasing day by day because they know how important it is for to adopt a dog, to adopt a street cat. So they
True.
are concerned about their health, and when they are concerned about their health, there will be different drugs, vaccines coming in the market. And it has also been like predicted, I can say, that by 2027 the market is going to grow by 4.7%, which is a very very
Wow.
huge this thing
Huge
increase.
number, true.
Yeah, so I can say it's also because that the diseases, the zoonotic diseases are increasing. As you know that even the COVID virus, it was not a human disease pehle, it was actually animal say which we got it. So it's, I think, more sort of like, yes, it is there in India, but it is not that prominent. uh, there is I what I believe is that there is no research oriented abhi, like the only career option that you have is veterinary in
Okay.
India, and animal husbandry. But I am doing something different. I want to basically get into the molecular diagnostics, like the people who prepare the test, people who prepare vaccines for the animals. So I don't really want to get into meat industry also, where I'm actually killing the animals because I'm
Because you
very
are an animal lover and we
lover.
know that.
Yeah. So I really don't want to get into that, but that also has that industry, the meat industry, the production industry, has a very, very, very huge scope in the future because obviously the population is going to increase and you cannot convince everyone to become vegan or vegetarian.
Correct. Correct.
So, and yeah.
Thank you so much for watching till here. We hope you learned something new out of this. This was just episode 1. Stay tuned for episode 2 and episode 3. I'll see you next time. Additionally, all the social media handles of High Five would be found in the caption below.